Morning. We are going to Simon's house. He's like got a car detailing business. Check out his Instagram here, you'll be able to see all the kind of stuff that he gets up to, etc. If you're in the southwest area, Chippenham, Swindon, Bristol, come and see Simon. Does a really good job, and you're about to see what he can do with my 350. Just got my coffee, wet myself up a bit. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I do not get up at this time normally. Let's get this car gleaming. Right, well, before we get started, I wanted to say a big thank you to Turtle Wax for sending me some goodies. I don't even know what's in the box, but we'll have a little look and see what they sent me. So, let's get to that. You got anything sharp, Si? Bloody hell, they sent loads of goodies in there. 2 2019 product catalogues. I'll Si, you can have one of them if you want. Have a little look at that. Dash and glass interior cleaner, hydrophobic wax sealant, renew polish, pre-wash, redline wheel cleaner, Canuva car wax. The list just goes on and on and on. Jeez. Wet and black tire trim, exterior detailer, odor eliminator, scratch and repair. They sent me that in the last video. Wash and wax. Dry and shine, rinse wax. So, you seeing this? How much stuff they sent me? Props to Turtle Wax. Look at all this. Oh my days. Literally all of this from Turtle Wax. You are my guys. Unbelievable. Thank you, Turtle Wax. That is so awesome. Really appreciate that. Got Simon obviously doing a full detail on the car, but after, for daily maintenance, I'll be sure to use your products, man. Thank you so much. Right. First of all, you are Simon.
I am indeed.
And you own SH, what was it?
SH Detailing. Yeah,
okay. Cool. Yeah. So what's the plan then, mate? What are we going to do today and tomorrow? Okay,
so first off, it's just like a sort of a deep clean down. Starting with door shuts, boot shuts, engine bay, give it a quick spruce up as well.
Stage 1 complete, Si.
Certainly is.
Right, what's next?
Now the snow foam.
One thing I do want you to have a little look at is this thing here on the caliper. It's like burnt or paint or something like that. Yep. I'm not too sure what it is.
It looks like it could be overspray, to be fair. So yeah, we haven't got it good now.
Stage 3. next segment then.
Got a bit of clay bar, pretty exciting.
There we go, nice.
Alright, so.
I doubt you'd find much because obviously me and Brad did it, but it needs to be done.
Okay, so in terms of what we've done so far, clean the interior, the
Exterior?
Yeah, the exterior's all been cleaned. Door shuts, boot, bonnet underneath. Been snow foamed, had a contact wash, using 2 buckets. Then used a fallout remover to try and get rid of any contaminants that were on it, but in all fairness, as you said, you clay barred it only a couple of weeks ago, so.
I did a good job, so you know, it didn't really come up with too much purple.
No, so not a lot happened from that, thankfully, which is never a bad thing. Now I've just gone over and clay barred a few bits. So I'll do a final wipe down and then it should be ready to start looking at, pull it inside and look at the paintwork.
Pull her in the garage and then we get the machine out.
Have a quick sort of assess of the paint, see what it looks like, and try and gauge what kind of level of correction needs to happen and what sort of pad and polish to go with. Typically Japanese paint tends to be quite soft, so you don't need to use a combination that's quite so aggressive as, say, with like German cars. Paint tends to be a bit harder. Yeah, so do a bit of testing now. Mask off a couple of areas, try different pads and polishing combinations.
Yeah.
Starting with like the least aggressive and then kind of work up depending on how that looks.
Brand new pads.
Yeah, always. So the polish that I'm using has not really got much kind of abrasion to it. It's kind of a finishing polish.
Okay.
But the pad I'm using's got a bit of sort of ability to cut through.
Right.
Scratches and swells a little bit. Flush is good for sort of this kind of thing in terms of wiping off.
we're back. A couple of hours later, we have gone around the whole car. The whole car has now been machine polished. And now it's going to be a case of wiping it down with like a alcohol wipe and getting it ready for ceramic coating. Just need to get rid of all the like dust and stuff from the machine polishing that can come from the pad. The car is looking extremely shiny. It's very nice. Lights came out nice.
Any residue from the polishes and any sort of oils that might be on it.
Yeah.
In terms of when you're laying down the ceramic coating, it needs to you need to remove all of those things. Otherwise, it can stop kind of the bond
doing this thing.
Chemical reaction. Yeah, the bond of the ceramic coating.
Car is dust free, and now it's time for
ceramic coating. So this is just a suede applicator. So this is a little pad, or a pad, and then you put the little suede applicator around it, and then you apply it on there. A few drops on, let it cure for a minute, and then gently wipe it off.
If you want to book in, he's in the southwest. All you got to do is message him on his social media, tell him what you want, he'll give you a price.